Welcome back, my wonderful English learners. It is day 2 of our 5-day English speaking challenge. I'm Clara, and wow, I just have to say, I am so incredibly proud of you for clicking play today. You know, starting something new on day 1, that's exciting. We all have that sudden burst of motivation. But coming back for day 2, that takes real dedication. Actually, that is where the magic really happens. Yesterday, we talked about how confidence doesn't come before you speak, right? It comes because you speak. Today, I want to talk about another secret to fluency. It's a very simple word, but it honestly changes everything. Consistency. Think about growing a beautiful garden. You can't just pour a giant bucket of water on a seed on Sunday and then completely ignore it for the rest of the week, right? It won't grow. It might even drown. To make that seed grow into a strong, blooming plant, you just have to give it a little bit of water. Just a little bit. Every single day. And your English fluency is exactly like that garden. 5 minutes of practice today, 5 minutes tomorrow. Those tiny daily actions, they build the muscle memory in your mouth and the connections in your brain. You are watering your English garden right now, just by being here. So let's get to our shadowing practice. Just like yesterday, I am going to say a sentence and I will leave a pause. During that pause, I want you to repeat after me, out loud. Yes, out loud. Try to match my rhythm and my tone. And don't worry about being perfect. Just let your voice be heard. Ready? Let's begin. I am showing up for my future self. Let's do that again. I am showing up for my future self. Beautiful. Next one. Small steps lead to big changes. Once more. Small steps lead to big changes. Great job. English is a natural part of my daily life. English is a natural part of my daily life. You're doing great. I embrace the learning process. I embrace the learning process. Nice. Every word I speak builds my fluency. Every word I speak builds my fluency. Brilliant. I speak without fear of mistakes. I speak without fear of mistakes. Awesome. My English is getting better every single day. My English is getting better every single day. Excellent. I am patient with myself and my progress. I am patient with myself and my progress. Almost done. I enjoy the rhythm of the English language. I enjoy the rhythm of the English language. And the final one for today, I am proud of my dedication today. I am proud of my dedication today. Wow. Take a deep breath. You just finished day 2. You used your voice, you trained your brain, and you proved to yourself that you can actually stick with this. Now, your small homework for today is exactly the same as yesterday. Sometime later today, just replay this episode and do the shadowing one more time. Notice how the words roll off your tongue just a little bit easier the second time around. And here's a question I'd like you to think about before our next session. If you could learn English by instantly downloading it into your brain, like a computer, would you do it? Or do you think there's hidden value in the journey, the mistakes, and the gradual growth you're experiencing right now? Think about growing your day. I am cheering for you, always. This is Clara, signing off. Keep speaking, keep watering that garden, and I will see you right back here tomorrow for day 3